Most excited about, I think Smarter Europe, it's the biggest platform for anyone and everyone who is associated with building the future of energy transition. All the players in the value chain, call it the renewable energy sector, call it the distribution sector, call it the storage sector, or the digitalization sector, all of them are out here. And it's fair to say that it is a combined effort to make it successful. So what I'm expecting out of this forum is that we build a lot of partnerships that leads us to a lot of success in the future. Yeah, 12,000 batteries, predominantly in the Nordic market. That's enormous. That's quite successful until now. If you look at the ambition level, we want to build a Gigafactory, which means we need to install many more residential and CNI batteries in the future. We're already expanding in Central and Eastern Europe, in Czech Republic, Poland, and Netherlands. I hope that we'll end the year with double up on what we have right now. So I would say we are quite good, well placed at this point in time, but the ambition level is much higher for the future. €1 million a month in grid rewards. I think just to put that into perspective, grid rewards is a program that Emaldo essentially is coordinating towards our end customers and everyone else in the value chain. What it means is our end customers get an opportunity to share the capacity that they have on their batteries and basically earn recurring income to making sure that the grid is stable on the other side. This is basically making renewable transition more profitable for everyone who essentially wants to participate in this energy transition. That's why the €1 million is a significance of how much we are actually building on top and trying to build more renewable energy into the sector in that sense. Emaldo Horizon, that is basically an energy gateway. If you consider a house which basically has a battery, a heat pump, an EV charger, you need efficiency and optimization to be able to build a little bit more of an efficient ecosystem in your house. That's exactly where Horizon places itself. It's right in the middle, it's the heart of a house, if you will, on the energy side of things. So it's an efficient energy management system that will basically steer all the assets in the house and drive more optimization on the other side of the story. Yeah, I think 2026 has been an eventful year for Emaldo up until now. But what comes from here on is even more exciting. We are scaling CNI and utility scale, especially in the Central European side. And we have a big traction on the residential side in the Nordics. So together, I think we will end up in a much stronger position at the end of the year. And that's exactly what I'm much excited about. Yeah? Okay. Thank you.